Hi, my name is Megan Griffith. I am the co-author of the Recovering from Mental Illness blog here on HealthyPlace. And today I want to talk about pandemic fatigue and how that can impact recovery. So pandemic fatigue is this idea that, COVID-19 has been around so long and we've been having to social distance and wear masks and miss out on a lot of really important stuff for so long that people are just getting tired. And not tired in a way that people are going to stop doing it, hopefully, more just emotionally drained by being away from our loved ones and having to sacrifice so much for so long and just not knowing when this is going to end. It's exhausting. And so that's pandemic fatigue. And everyone is going through this right now. Every human being on earth pretty much is going through this right now. But I wanted to talk a little bit about how pandemic fatigue affects mental health recovery, because the two together can be even more exhausting. For me personally, the way pandemic fatigue has affected my recovery is it's made hope a lot harder. This whole not knowing when this is going to end and giving up those little things that used to help me with my recovery. I used to cope with really bad days by going to see my sisters, right? I would invite them over, we would have a sleepover, we would make brownies and look at memes, and we can't do that anymore. And yeah, we can call, but honestly, after a while that just gets depressing because it's like you can't say see you later because you won't. And yeah, so pandemic fatigue can be hard when you're in recovery because the pandemic has taken away a lot of those little ways that we cope with our illness and the ways we're trying to recover. I know for a lot of people, including me, therapy is now over the phone or telehealth, and for a lot of us that's just not as effective as being in the same room as somebody, and that can be really hard. So there's a lot of ways that pandemic fatigue is weighing on us during our recovery and making things even harder. But I guess I want to end this with a message of hope, because this is going to end. I don't know when, I can't tell you when, but it is going to end. This is not forever. It might be the new normal right now, but it's not your new normal forever. This is going to end at some point, and you will have access to those coping tools again. And if you can just do whatever you need to do to get to that point, it's going to be worth it. I promise. We can do this. If you want to share your story of how pandemic fatigue has affected your recovery, that would be fantastic. Just share it in the comments. I would love to chat with you all.